If you want to search songs on POCO F7, what you can do is you can use circle to search feature. So if you're using 3 buttons for navigation, you can press and hold the home button in order to activate Google's circle to search. And if you use the gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that you have at the bottom of the screen. Once you see this panel, you can press on the music recognition feature, which is this one over here, in order to let the phone listen to the background. So you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get Google search results. Besides that, you can also add a similar feature in Control Center. So if you open the Control Center, you can swipe all the way up in order to find the Edit option. And then over here in App Toggles, you should be able to find Song Search. So you can go over here, add it to the list, press this check in the top right corner in order to save it. And this is how it looks like, the same way pretty much. So that's it, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.